Hello, I'm Adam from Market Life, and this is the free video for April 16th, 2020. So we're looking at a specific stock setup here. Now, I think overall the broad market still potentially going to be set for another sell-off. Maybe not a whole another leg down, but primed potentially for weakness. So what we want to watch here, we only want to be long the stock, and the stock is max linear, that's MXL. We only want to be long on a breakout above the 16 level here. So you want to look to initiate a long on momentum, whether you're looking at a close or just strong intraday momentum above that. Stop is somewhere above $13. I think there's a wide range there that makes sense. But what you don't want is you don't want to be up there super tight. You also don't want to be down there around 10. You want to be somewhere in the middle. So call it the mid 13s, and initial target for the trade is somewhere back up into the bottom of this range. So mid 18s, maybe 19, something like that. So we're not looking for a big move. You know, with this, you don't look back at the weekly chart here and say, oh, I think this has potential up into the high 20s. Maybe it does, but that's not why you're entering this trade. That's not your expectation out of the trade. Just a little trade, little consolidation pattern off the daily. I'll show you in a minute what's driving that, and that's all you're looking for, is just another leg up. Now, what is driving that is this is a classic failure of a bear flag. If you go back, if we page this chart back a few days and you're looking at a pattern here, that's a really good bearish setup, so you would want to short that. However, once you see the momentum emerge to the upside, that pretty much destroys any bearish sentiment in the market, and this particular stock at least, and then the narrow consolidation. All of that together tilts the scales to the upside. So that's why we're looking at a long here. And just to kind of tie this together, we have not seen that kind of action in the broad market. That's why there's still potential for a short here in the broad market. But regardless, we do like the long in MXL, and see if we get a trigger in that here later this week. That's all we have today. If the video is helpful, give us a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, check out more of my work at marketlife.com.